Welcome to the last lab of the semester. Part 1 is just a review of the pre-lab. Make sure that you have a clear understanding of delta O18 values before you move on. For Part 2, you will look at the original ocean drilling program data. The NOAA Paleoclimate website has a lot of interesting information. Here are the data that we'll be using. Core 677. Note that this is just a text file, not a spreadsheet. This is what is produced from scientific research crews. Read through the header information and scroll down to answer the questions in the lab. Part 3 is in Excel. These are the same data you saw on the NOAA website, just cleaned up and formatted differently. Insert a new column between columns B and C. To compute the ages of each sample in thousands of years, enter the equation as follows. Then drag this equation downward to all the cells in the column. You might have to scroll down a little bit to be able to see everything. Create a scatter plot of del O18 on the y-axis as a function of age on the x-axis. Be sure to use the scatter plot option with straight lines, no point markers. You can now adjust the chart and the axes according to the instructions in the lab. Now that you understand how to make a scatter plot, you'll be using more or less the same procedure for the rest of the lab. Part 4 also has an Excel component in which you will need to use the drawing tools. To do that, look under the Insert menu for Shape. Click the one that looks like a line and you can place it on your graph.